Hi, I'm Patrick from Type 1 and this is our beginner's guide to motorcycle gear. So you want to get around on two wheels, maybe you've just come of age and you want to get your license, or you want to try something new and the beauty of the motorcycle has captivated you. Whatever your reasons, you need to be protected, and going into a motorcycle gear shop for the first time can be quite daunting for first-time riders. Have no fear! We are here to show you what you need to get started and the things to look out for. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to walk into a bike shop and be confident in knowing what you need. If you like our content, please like and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button to keep up to date with our latest content. We're going to get started with the most important part of your safety equipment when you're out on a motorcycle, and that is your helmet. There are hundreds of them out there on the market, all different colors, sizes and specifications, but not all of them are made equal. Unfortunately, there are a lot of helmets out there thanks to generic online retailers that sell themselves as super swish and the same helmets that Valentino Rossi wears, but in fact they are downright dangerous and in fact illegal. Helmets sold for use on UK roads must meet one of the following safety standards. British Standard BS 6658 1985 and carry the BSI kite mark, the UN ECE Regulation 22.05, or a European Economic Area member standard offering at least the same safety and protection as the BS standard and carry a mark equivalent to the BSI kite mark. Another good thing to look at is the Safety Helmet Assessment and Rating Program, or SHARP. They run extensive tests on different manufacturers, giving a rating out of 5 stars. Although it's a bit more difficult at the moment, we really do recommend that you go into a shop and be able to try the helmets on for yourself. The one that you've seen on a website that looks super flash may not be the right one for you, and we'll get onto those points in a moment. Now here we have some useful advice on how to get a helmet that fits you properly. If you can't fit the helmet over the top of your head, don't try and squeeze it on, it doesn't fit. Try a size up. When you found a helmet that goes over the top of your head, don't worry if your ears flap over. It's not a sign of a bad fitting helmet. You can poke those back by putting your finger through the visor to push them back into place. Now you've got the helmet on, it's time to do the shake test, like this. If the helmet continues to move without head movement, it is slipping on your head. Therefore, it is slightly too big and you may need to try a smaller size. Helmets are meant to be a close fit to provide the best level of protection, so you may find that your cheeks will squash up a bit. This will get better over time. However, if you find that it does feel like it's giving your head excess pressure, you may need to try and find a different helmet. It's good to bear in mind that manufacturers have different shape designs and no human head is the same size or shape. So you may need to try different manufacturers to find the best fit for you. And finally, make sure that you're wearing the helmet correctly. People tend to pull the chin bar a little bit further up on their face and it feels a little bit comfier, when in fact you're losing protection around your jaw area. Any shop will show you how to fit this correctly. So to sum up, it's better to have a slightly tight helmet than a loose one. Buy the best one that you can afford, take your time with the process, and keep an eye out on those ratings to find the best one you can. Okay. Now we move on to the next piece of clothing, which is the jacket. Motorcycle jackets offer protection against the elements and against injury in the unlikely event of a crash. Most come standard with armour protection in the high impact areas like the shoulders, the elbows and the back. The leather jacket is a firm favourite in motorcycling because of its excellent abrasion protection qualities. So if you fall off your bike at speed, the leather will eat up all the damage and your skin will stay on your body where it belongs. There are some excellent textile options as well, but you may find that you'll pay a little bit more for those because of the fancier materials to get the same abrasion protection. Your choice of jacket must also take your comfort into consideration. If you're only riding in the summer months, you may want to look for something that's a little bit more lightweight or has perforations in the front to allow airflow. If you're planning to ride in the colder months, maybe look at something that has a detachable thermal liner so you get the best of both, or find a thicker jacket altogether. And now we're on to trousers. Now trousers, technically you don't have to buy these because the UK law doesn't ask you to, but if you want to be fully protected against any eventuality, then definitely buy some. Like motorcycle jackets, there are two main types here, leather and textile, and all of them will have impact protectors in the hips and the knees. Now I'm pretty sure that you've bought trousers before, but there's just a couple of other things to think about when you are buying these. First off, you need to make sure that you have a good range of movement in them whilst you're sat down. If you feel that they're too tight or too restricting, especially with the armour plates in place, you may find that you want to go for a size bigger. A popular and cost-effective option are the motorcycle jeans. Motorcycle jeans are lined with a Kevlar or aramid fibre. That layer provides abrasion protection if you do fall off your bike and slide. These are great for the more fashion conscious, if you're not wanting to go for the full leather look or any other utilitarian textile look. And as mentioned before, they come in at a brilliant price point. Next up is hand protection. You want to find a pair of gloves that fit your hands well, with a little bit of give in the hands so you can make a fist without it feeling too tight. This is important because you're controlling the bike with your hands, and any uncomfortable feeling in your hands is going to take your concentration away from the road. Again, it's good to think about the conditions that you're going to be riding in, as you have seasonal options available to you. And now the final thing to get is a pair of boots. Walking into a motorbike gear shop is the same as walking into your favourite shoe shop. There are racks of different types of boots available to you, different colours, sizes, shapes and uses. To start out, you want something with good ankle protection, a good strong sole and protection against both heat and cold and road debris. Now you may find a pair of boots that on paper look absolutely perfect for your needs, but you do need to try them on and have a walk around with them and sit down whilst you're wearing them as well. Having uncomfortable footwear really does take your concentration off the road, so it really is important that you really look at what you want to buy. So that's you covered head to toe. Your mum will be slightly less worried about you leaving your skin on the tarmac, and you can go out and ride with confidence. I hope this has been helpful to you guys. But wait, there's more! To make it easier for you, we've linked up with jtsbikerclothing.com to provide you with our top picks for the perfect starter gear. JTS have a long history of providing excellent quality motorcycle clothing at an incredible price point. See the links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press that bell button to keep up with our latest videos. Stay safe, rubber side down, and I'll see you on the next one.